As we make these decisions, we need to avoid 3 common tendencies that will derail the IRP. The first one is disciplinary bias. This refers to stating the problem using words and phrases that connect it to a particular discipline. When someone reads our work, they should not perceive that one discipline is favored over the others. It should be clear in the title, the introduction, throughout the body of work, and even the references list that multiple disciplines have been incorporated, and that there is somewhat of a balance between them. The second tendency is disciplinary jargon, or using technical terms and concepts that are not generally understood outside a particular discipline. Words like cognitive dissonance and correlation coefficients are very technical. Most people would not know what these words mean without looking them up in a dictionary. A good rule of thumb is to assume that the reader, the audience, is unfamiliar with a technical term or concept. In this way, your audience is both disciplines and the general public. The third tendency to avoid is personal bias, or the act of injecting one's own point of view when introducing the problem or question. Our work should not reflect our beliefs, our experiences, our opinions. Our work should reflect an integration of the insights derived from our disciplines. Our limited personal experiences will not be enough to develop a comprehensive understanding of a complex problem or question. Avoiding these 3 tendencies helps us identify relevant phenomena and properly define the scope of our investigation.